Hey everybody, I am going to go over why there are so many Admiral repositories now being hosted on the Farmiverse Meta repository. I think this could be informative for users and developers, and so I thought a brief overview could be very helpful. So if I come to the Farmiverse repository, we can see we have a total of 19 repositories available to us. And a lot of these start with the name Admiral, which I think some folks are being uh, intimidated by or feeling a little overwhelmed by, including myself. And I think having a brief overview of what each one of these does and its purpose can be very helpful. The really easy ones to knock off the list, Admiral Onco, Admiral Vaccine, and Admiral Optha. These are all extension packages which seek to help build ADAM data sets for that particular disease area. So they're really meant to work in tandem with the Admiral package, which, as you know, is the core, um, contains all the core functions for building traditional, or not traditional, but common ADAM data sets like ADSL, BDS style data sets. But then we also have four other repositories here that have the name Admiral. The first one, Admiral Dev, is a package that works with Admiral and other extension packages that is really meant for developers to be able to maintain a healthy code base um, while developing on Admiral or Admiral extension packages. So this is really meant to help the developers work on those packages, and it contains utility functions, utility add-ins, and guidance documents on developing an Admiral. And that website is linked on this repo. If you are a developer, a good one to bookmark. And then so going back, we also have Admiral CI. And Admiral CI's purpose is to create a common framework of CI/CD workflows across the family of packages. So each Admiral package will use these workflows. They can add additional workflows if they choose, but this way we know that all the Admiral packages work and play together very seamlessly, and we make make sure of this by all using a common workflow repo to grab these CI/CD workflows from, and then when we do things like pull requests, these are engaged from Admiral Optha, Admiral Onco to Core Admiral. And those workflows are discussed here in the README if you're curious, and it walks you through each one. So next is admiral.test, and this is really the core STTM data that we have available to us that is adapted from a pilot, I believe, that was given to the FDA many years ago, and it's slowly being brought up to more current CDIS standards. So there is a little movement within this repo slash package to keep the data fresh and up to date according to CDIS standards. And finally, we have Admiral template. An Admiral template is really meant, it's just a repository, and it's meant that you can copy over the the structure of what we recommend for building an Admiral package or an extension package as. So this has everything from package down guidance to README guidance to your first R function with your first test, with the recommended icons for your hex stickers. So all these things we try to have ready to go out of the box, so anyone coming online wanting to create an extension package can quickly select this repo, and you can't see it because this is a private setting, but there would be a use this template button here, and then you could use that template to set up your package. So I hope that answers some questions on why there are so many admirals. So we just went over the, what is it, half dozen, not half dozen, two, four, six, eight repos that are available here. Three being extension package repos, One being the Admiral core, which we all know and love, the development repo slash package, Admiral CI, which is just a repo with all our CI/CD workflows, admiral.test, which is a repo slash package with all our test data in it, and Admiral template, which is really a, 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 a it really is a template used to build additional extension packages. So I hope that answers some questions and have a good day and talk to you soon.